Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a professional and structured breakdown of the economic implications of promise to pay rate in an outbound contact center, especially within collections, recovery, and retention functions. Let's talk about direct revenue realization, one of the most powerful outcomes of a strong PTP strategy. First, PTP rate as a revenue driver. A higher PTP rate translates directly into a larger pool of promised payments, and when those promises are fulfilled, they convert into actual collected revenue. Second, predictable cash flow. Consistently strong PTP rates provide better cash flow visibility, making financial planning and operational stability much stronger. And third, the revenue multiplier effect. Even a modest improvement in PTP can generate significant incremental revenue when applied to high call volumes. Higher PTP means a larger revenue pipeline, and that's the foundation for scalable growth and financial strength. Let's look at one of the most direct financial benefits of a strong PTP strategy: lower cost per acquisition and lower cost per collection. First, efficient utilization of leads. When PTP rates are high, fewer calls and follow-ups are needed to convert each account, which significantly reduces the cost per collection. Second, marketing spend optimization. With fewer wasted leads, organizations get more value from their existing marketing investments, improving ROI. And third, a lean operational model. Strong promise rates allow contact centers to hit revenue targets with lower resource intensity, driving sustainable efficiency. In short, better PTP rates mean lower unit cost to collect, and that translates directly into stronger margins and smarter growth. Another powerful impact of a strong PTP strategy is improved forecasting accuracy. First, predictive cash flow. PTP serves as an early and reliable indicator of future collections performance, allowing leaders to stay ahead of the curve. Second, financial planning confidence. When PTP trends remain stable and consistent, finance teams can forecast revenue and cash positions with greater accuracy. And third, budget efficiency. This predictability enables smarter resource allocation, sharper staffing models, and more effective campaign planning. In short, PTP accuracy strengthens financial governance, turning collections forecasting into a strategic advantage rather than a guessing game. Let's talk about one of the most strategic outcomes of strong PTP performance: enhanced return on investment, or ROI. First, higher yield per lead. When more promises are secured and kept, revenue grows without increasing acquisition costs, making every lead more valuable. Second, technology leverage. Investments in AI, dialers, and CRM systems deliver faster payback when promise rates rise, maximizing the impact of every tech dollar spent. And third, better utilization of workforce. High-performing teams close more promises with fewer resources, driving operational efficiency and profitability. In short, PTP performance amplifies ROI across marketing, sales, and operations, making it a true business multiplier. Another powerful advantage of strong PTP performance is its direct impact on workforce economics and operational efficiency. First, reduced staffing pressure. Higher PTP rates mean fewer leads are needed to achieve the same revenue goals, allowing teams to do more with less. Second, lower attrition costs. In a high-conversion environment, agents are more motivated and engaged, which leads to longer tenures and reduced hiring and training expenses. And third, better shift economics. Less dialing per dollar collected translates into lower operating costs per shift, strengthening profitability. In short, efficient promise capture creates a leaner cost structure, turning workforce efficiency into a strategic advantage. Strong PTP performance doesn't just boost short-term collections, it also drives long-term customer value. First, quality commitments build loyalty. Customers who make and keep their promises are far more likely to maintain long-term relationships with the brand. Second, reduced churn costs. Better retention and lower delinquency rates lead to stronger margins and a more stable customer base. And third, CLV uplift. High-quality promise engagements often translate into higher per-customer value over time, turning one-time interactions into lasting revenue streams. In short, PTP improvements strengthen both immediate and lifetime revenue, driving healthier margins and deeper customer relationships. Another critical area where PTP performance delivers real business value is SLA economics and contractual leverage. First, BPO and vendor models. In outsourced environments, PTP performance often determines bonus payouts, penalties, or revenue share, directly impacting commercial outcomes. Second, SLA stability. Consistent PTP results foster stronger commercial relationships and provide greater contract security, reducing risk for both parties. And third, competitive advantage. High-performing vendors can negotiate more favorable contract terms, turning operational excellence into financial leverage. In short, PTP performance drives direct financial outcomes in outsourcing and SLA-based engagement models. Let's close with a powerful perspective: the strategic business value of PTP performance. First, market competitiveness. Strong promise to collection performance enhances market standing, builds trust with stakeholders, and strengthens the organization's overall reputation. Second, scalable growth. High PTP rates enable businesses to expand without proportional cost increases, making growth more efficient and sustainable. And third, profitability leverage. PTP sits at the intersection of operational execution and financial return, making it a core profitability lever in any performance-driven model. In short, stronger PTP means stronger business fundamentals, driving growth, profitability, and competitive edge. Here's the key insight to remember. A high promise to pay rate is far more than a measure of operational excellence. It is a strategic economic lever that directly impacts revenue, cost, ROI, profitability, and growth potential. Organizations that systematically raise and sustain their PTP rates don't just collect more, they build higher margins, achieve greater financial predictability, and gain a distinct competitive edge in the market. In short, PTP isn't just a KPI, it's a business growth engine. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.